Croeso I Gymru. Starting a new life in a new country comes with many challenges. New languages, new services, and new communities. Wales is a multilingual nation where many languages and cultures are valued. And in Wales, the Welsh language, Gymraeg, is an important part of community, education, and everyday life.
Well, the Welsh language is unique to those in Wales because of its historical links, the fact that it's survived until today. But I think what's important is that it's a language of everyday life. It has the same status as the English language. It's a living and thriving language, and it's also a multicultural language that can belong to everyone in Wales. I think schools play a really important role in extending that welcome.
Welsh-medium education is important because the community find you best.
I mean, all that I would do, and I think that any other worker here in Oasis would do, where we work with families who are new in Wales, is we sit down with people, we get the map out, like every local authority will have a map of all the schools and saying which are Welsh and which are English medium. But also having that enthusiasm about it and feeling like, look, this would be something really, really cool for your child to have and to be able to grow up with. And I think, and a lot of people, they've chosen that and they've really, really valued that.
I'm from Pakistan. My first language is Urdu, and I also know in Punjabi. Well, I really wanted to have my children to be in Welsh medium school. There is a kind of a confusion or misunderstanding in people that if you don't know Welsh, it will be hard for your child to learn. I think so. It doesn't matter.
If you come to Wales, what I feel like you have to try and speak that language, and I want them to be speaking more languages like me, because now we are not in the Gambia. Gambia, we can speak a lot of languages. Yeah, and if you can speak Welsh, you have opportunity.
I'm really happy, seeing the fact that most people think that, maybe if they go to Welsh, they might not be able to compete with the people who speak English, but that's not the thing.
Mam, ga, I, sus.
If we see the other child going only to the English medium, he won't know Welsh, but the Welsh medium knows English, so it's nice to have a bilingual or multilingual, because these children are more creative, they have more cognitive functions, and they have more opportunities, skills or experiences.
I feel very blessed and I'm very proud of my children, and big thank you to Kiran from Oasis to guide for the best for my children.
I think it's really fantastic to hear such positive experience between these families, that they've actually chosen education in Welsh, but also that their experiences are proving to be positive. And I think that's really important, not just that they make the decision, but that the continued experience is helping them integrate in a new society. And I think schools play a really important role in extending that welcome.
Mae croeso I bawb o bob iaith yma yng Nghymru. Everyone from every language is welcome here in Wales.